Here the next one is the selection operation. As I have told you, the selection operation we are writing like this only whenever we are writing the query in relational algebra. But actually in your what I can say system, the selection operation, there are many algorithms are there which will get which are there, right? So algorithm number one, what we are going to talk about, we are going to talk about the number of algorithms which are there. The first algorithm is nothing but a linear search. Now, what do you mean by selection operation? Whenever we want to select something, internally what we are applying a search technique, right? We are selecting. Just now I have told you, we have written select salary greater than, sorry, salary less than or equals to 75,000. This was the query. And apart from that, what was that I'm not going to talk about. The only this select salary which is less than or equals to 75,000, that was the query, right? So here how we are going to do, how we are going to apply, internally we are going to search for what, we are going to search for the instructors where salary is less than 75,000. So searching technique comes into picture, right? So that's why there are different algorithms are there for searching. So first one which I am going to talk about is nothing but the linear search, the easiest one. Linear search is nothing but sequentially we are going to talk about. Sequentially we are going to search की माझ्याकडे जर 1 ते 10 नंबर असतील, right? किंवा if I am saying I am having a table, in that table is same table SCIT, the roll numbers are from 1 to 10, right? There are these many fields, roll number, name, mobile number and blah blah things are there. त्यापैकी जर समजा मला ते रोल नंबर आहेत, त्या रोल नंबर पैकी मला असे रोल नंबर हवेत, सिलेक्ट द नेम ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स वेअर रोल नंबर इज ग्रेटर दॅन 10. If I am talking about the SCIT and whatever the picture, whatever the table or relation as I have told you, right? So definitely I need to search for what, I need to search for what, I need to search for the rows or attributes, I can say whichever attribute whichever the attribute I am taking into consideration, that to that attribute I need to apply the search technique, right? Means every if I am saying there are now roughly 70 students are there, so all 70 students I need to search, right? So that is nothing but the linear search. And what is the cost, what is the cost if I am applying this particular technique to search? Then what will be the cost? The cost is nothing but the BR block plus one seek time, whatever the number of blocks which are going to which will get transferred from the hard disk plus one number of disk access, कारण की मी एकचदा फक्त disk access करणार आहे, right? So here I have written BR denotes the number of blocks transferred or number of blocks which are we are going to number of blocks containing the records from the relation. ह्या पर्टिक्युलर टेबलमध्ये हे पर्टिक्युलर ब्लॉक्स असतील ते मला रिट्रीव्ह करायला लागतील. Now here suppose the selection is on the key attribute, right? What do you mean by this key attribute? now मी जर म्हटलं की suppose I am having a selection is on the key attribute, then we should not go forward. Only what I can say, suppose मी म्हणतोय की माझ्याकडे 70 स्टुडंट आहेत, त्या 70 स्टुडंट्स पैकी if I am saying the key attribute is 30, then I should stop there only, I should not go beyond 30. For example, select the roll number between 1 to 35, right? Total there are 70 students, but out of that how many I am going to search? Only 35 I am going to search, right? So in that case the cost will be what? In that case the cost will be BR by 2, means total number of blocks divided by 2 plus only one number of access or one number of seek. So total it will be BR by 2 number of block transfers plus only one disk access, right? Then the binary search apply करण्याचा यामध्ये what I can say, there is no use of making binary search, कारण की binary search जर मला apply करायचं असेल तर already data will be in sorted fashion, right? Whenever if I want to apply the binary search, then already the data will be in sorted fashion, so there will be no use of making binary search in the uh, searching technique, in the selection operation. Then the another one here, these two techniques are not making use of this linear search and binary search. These are not making use of any index, right? These are not making use of any index. मला कुठलाच index यामध्ये वापरण्याची गरज पडत नाही, right? But if I want to do a index based scan, means what? First of all, what do you mean by index? That we are going to talk about. समजा माझ्याकडे हा टेबल आहे. If I am saying a table, there are multiple, what I can say, multiple rows are there, right? या टेबल मध्ये माझ्याकडे समजा स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 1000 किंवा मी 1 lakh म्हणतो. आय एम हॅव्हिंग 1 lakh entries, right? This much big table is there, right? Suppose I am saying here I am having roll numbers. I am having only roll numbers. I am having only roll numbers, right? And suppose I want to fire a query, select the name of the students who are having the roll numbers greater than 100, right? तर मला काय करायला लागेल? Definitely this number of the cost of the query will be increased. Why? Because this whole table of the total record or total records present are 1 lakh. I need to retrieve these records from the hard disk into my main memory, right? I need to retrieve these records from hard disk, right? So total how many, what I can say, records I need to retrieve? Need to scan 1 lakh, right? I need to scan, not retrieve, I need to scan total 1 lakh entries. आता मी काय करतो याला ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह, व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू, यामध्ये स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 100, right? I am going to give one more, I am going to create one more table, that is nothing but here I am going to give the roll number and here I am going to give the index I, right? Starting from 1 to 100, this will be get pointed here. Starting from 100 to 200, I am going to give the pointer here. It will point to this record, right? आणि आता जर मी समजा इंडेक्स बेस्ड स्कॅन केलं तर डेफिनेटली दी टाइम विल गेट रिड्यूस्ड. कारण की जर मला 100 to 200 मध्ये स्कॅन करायचं असेल तर डायरेक्टली आय विल पॉइंट हियर, राईट? आय विल नॉट कम हियर अँड आय विल चेक. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज दी इंडेक्स बेस्ड स्कॅन. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग व्हॉट डू मीन बाय इंडेक्स? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंडेक्स कशासाठी यूज करतो आपण? जर माझ्याकडे डेटा खूप मोठा आहे, इफ आय एम हॅव्हिंग ए टेबल विथ, व्हॉट आय कॅन से, दिस इज जनरल व्हॉट आय एम ट्राईंग टू टेल यू, की जर माझ्याकडे समजा 70 स्टुडंट्स आहे, देन आय कॅन पॉइंट इट आउट डायरेक्टली, राईट? बट इफ आय एम सेइंग आय एम हॅव्हिंग, नाउ आय विल टेक द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ युअर क्लास ओनली. आय एम हॅव्हिंग एसी, आय एम हॅव्हिंग टी अँड आय एम हॅव्हिंग बी. समजा मी हे एसी टी बी पिक्चरमधनं काढून टाकले तर माझ्याकडे किती मुलं आहेत? 70 70 70 आणि 70. पण कुठला मुलगा कुठल्या क्लासचा आहे हे मला माहिती आहे का? आय विल नॉट कम टू नो, राईट? समजा मी म्हटलं की माझ्याकडे, इफ आय एम सेइंग आय एम हॅव्हिंग ए स्टुडंट विथ नेम ABC, but where that particular student belong to SE, to T or B, don't know, right? That's why index are required. So those SE, T and B are nothing but the indices which we have applied to the students. So if I want to check whether that particular student belongs to SE or T with whatever roll number, I can find it out. So in the same way, I am saying it, here I have given the index starting from 1 to 100, index number 1, right? Or index number A, or index, then starting from 100 to 200, index number B, and likewise. So definitely the time will get reduced. So this is called as the index based scan. The search algorithms can use the index. Okay, then the selection condition must be on the search of index, because the search key will be of index only, and I cannot search directly on the table. Okay. So the second one is, if I am using a primary index and equality on key. What do you mean by primary index? जर मी म्हणतोय की माझ्याकडे या टेबलला पॉइंट आउट करायला फक्त एकच टेबल आहे, हा जो टेबल आहे हा टेबल आहे I am having 1 to 1 lakh entries and to point out this I am having only one table. So this is nothing but the primary index. Whenever I will say secondary index, mean to say what? This is my secondary index, right? This secondary index will point to this and this will point to this. So this particular table is nothing but my secondary index and this is my index, the primary index. Are you understanding? This is nothing but my secondary index and this is nothing but my primary index. Okay, now here what I am talking about, I am talking about a primary index only, an equality on key, right? Equality on key means now I am using a now I am using a search based technique. I am using a index as key. Okay, and now I can't use the key directly on the attribute. I need to use the key on the on the index only. So in that case, now I am talking about now I am talking about the primary index. After some time I will come to the secondary index also. So there you will have a clear idea what do you mean by this secondary index and primary index. Okay, so now, if I am using a primary index and equality is on the key, then we can retrieve a single record. Mean to say, if I am writing a query, select what? Select, if I am saying roll number, select roll number equals to, if I am writing here also I am having roll number, right? Here I am writing I am having roll number 1, 2, okay, and now the screen is very less. I can't elaborate this on the screen. So the primary index is nothing but if I am saying ki हा जो index आहे हा याला point करतोय, right? Let me clean this so that I can make you more clear. If I am saying I am having one table here, this is the bigger table, right? And this is the smaller table which is pointing to, this is pointing here, this is pointing here, and this is pointing here. So if I am applying a primary index and equality on key, mean to say if I am saying I am having here roll number r, right, 1, 2, 3, and if I am saying this is nothing but roll number, then here I am saying 1 to up to 1 lakh. Okay, if I am saying now select roll number is equals to 1, आता यापैकी काय आउटपुट मला मिळायला पाहिजे, इथे जेवढ्या ठिकाणी रोल नंबर 1 असेल that will be the output I will be getting as a result of the query. That is nothing but the meaning of primary index and equality on key, right? Mean to say it will retrieve a single record that satisfies the corresponding quality condition. It satisfies the corresponding equality condition. The cost will be whatever the key we are going to specify, this is nothing but the key plus 1 into number of blocks, not number of blocks, time to transfer one block of data plus the number of disk accesses, right? The not number of disk accesses, the time to transfer one block of data, that is nothing but the cost of this primary index and equality on key. Okay, there. Then I am having the primary index and equality on non-key, right? Equality on non-key. At that time, I'll be requiring, I will be retrieving the multiple records, and records will be in a non-consecutive blocks, right? Equality on the non-consecutive blocks. So it will be having what? It will be having HI plus the number of block transferred, the time to transfer one block of data plus time, the number of disk access to transfer the block of data, plus again this into number of blocks. Now why I am taking here number of blocks, या दोघांमधला जर मला डिफरन्स तुम्हाला सांगायचा असेल, then I can say, see, I will give you an example, a clear example, so that मी जर म्हणतोय की माझ्याकडे हा एक टेबल आहे, in a simple language I will try to elaborate, right? If I am writing select, and whatever the key I want to write, whatever the key I want to specify, that is nothing but this roll number. Roll number is equals to 100, right? Select roll number is equals to 100 from student relation. So what will be the, I will be getting only one answer, only one record as the answer of this, right? This is nothing but the searching technique, that is nothing but this primary index and equality on key. Primary index and equality on key. If I am talking a primary index and equality on non-key, then it will be like this. If I am selecting roll number greater than or less than or greater than equals to or less than equals to, if I am taking an example greater than or equals to 1000, right? Again student. So how many records I will get? मला एकच record मिळेल का याचा answer? नाही. There can be multiple records or there can be multiple records as an answer of this particular query. That's why it is primary index with equality on non-key attributes. Right? Primary index with equality on non-key attributes. That's why the cost of the query will be like this. The cost of the query, where it is? The cost of the query will be like this. The number of blocks we need to transfer from the hard disk. Okay, hope you people have understood this. Today we will be will stop here and we'll continue with the rest of the scenarios. There are more scanning or searching techniques are there, scanning techniques are there, that we are going to see, but that we will see in the next lecture. Okay, but before binding it up, let me come